Every day we're becoming increasingly aware of how human beings are impacting the Earth's systems and what that is meaning for our quality of life. And it's becoming even more apparent to us that business as usual, the way we've always done it, is bringing some significant challenges and even hazards. Doesn't it make you wonder, are we making it worse? Or what can we do to make it better? We are at this unique point in our history where we still have the opportunity to write our own story. We don't just have to accept business as usual. It's hard to know really what trade-offs we're going to have to make today for, say, a better future. What are the real implications of climate change? Can we accept those or not? How could we reduce the pain of changing our consumption habits, or do we need to? Maybe most importantly, how are we going to assess the different options or alternatives we have and make a decision about the path we're taking into the future? I'm Barry Wilson. I'm a systems ecologist, professional forester, and a strategic planner at CE Analytic Limited, which is a company that specializes in cumulative effects. Collaboration is how we multiply our individual strengths and powers to create something that's so much bigger than ourselves. And that's where the solutions of the future are going to come from. So that's exactly why we created the CE Analytic Cumulative Effects Conference and Gala. I promise you, when you attend, you'll be inspired, motivated, engaged, and when you leave, you'll be filled with optimism and an action plan. Attending is going to make you part of this powerful movement to write our own story. So save the date, February 26th and 27th in Kamloops, British Columbia, Canada. I can't wait to see you there.